Thank you for choosing Wildcat Travel Agency. Are you ready for an adventure? If so, we have the perfect travel location for you. Have you ever heard of the rainforest? There are rainforests located all over the world. Most of them are located near the equator. There are some in Asia, Africa, the Pacific Islands, and even Australia. Most of them are located in South America. The biggest is the Amazon rainforest, located in Brazil. So, are you ready to go yet? Let me tell you some more about what to expect. First of all, you will want to dress for warm weather. The weather is warm all year round. The temperature should be between 68 and 77 degrees. By the way, if you were wondering why they call it the rainforest, it's not just a name. The rainforest gets lots of rain. It rains between 79 and 394 inches every year. So be sure to bring your raincoat and your umbrella. Do you love learning about plants and animals? Then the rainforest will be the perfect vacation for you. There are many kinds of beautiful flowers, also all types of vines, palms, orchids, and ferns. There are even more animals and insects living in them. Let me tell you about 4 layers and the animals you might find there. High in the sky is the emergent layer. The tall trees that rise up above the canopy. Here you will find the birds and insects. Then below that is the canopy. The upper layer of leaves and branches. It is home to many birds, reptiles, and mammals. Below is the understory, the cool, dark area between the canopy and the ground, leading all the way down to the forest floor, the ground layer full of insects and home to the biggest animals. Are you a friend to animals? Let me tell you about some of the species you might find. You could see jaguars, tigers, and other big cats, anacondas, and other reptiles, chimpanzees, orangutans, monkeys, and lots of other primates. Toucans, macaws, and lots more birds. You can also find tree frogs and poison dart frogs and lots more. Oh, and by the way, there are around 30 million species of insects, so don't forget to bring your bug spray. The rainforest is a great destination for your adventure. It is full of everything I have talked about. So bring your camera because you might also see beautiful waterfalls and have the most amazing adventure. If a trip to the rainforest is right for you, buy your tickets today from Wildcat Travel Agents. We're waiting for your call.